Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about analog communication. We will start study of analog communication. So firstly we must know about what is analog and digital signal and how we can determine whether it is an analog signal or digital signal. Now come to the analog signal. It is a type of signal which is defined for every value of time and take any continuous or random value in the given time interval. Now see the example. This is a continuous in time signal which is an analog signal, and also it gives all random value in the given time interval, so it is also known as continuous in amplitude signal, while a digital signal is not a continuous in time and continuous in amplitude signal. It is a discrete in time and discrete in amplitude signal. Now let's understand the difference between continuous in time and discrete in time signal. For this, I take 4 examples. Before going to example, first understand two things: continuous in time and continuous in value amplitude. Continuous in time means defined at every time in a particular range t1 to t2 in which signal is defined, and continuous in amplitude means every value present in a particular range in which signal defined. Now come to the first example. This signal is defined for every value of time in the given time interval. It means it gives some value at every time in this time interval, and also it gives different random value in the given range as we change the time. So in this time interval it will keeps all value in the given range, so it is called as continuous in time and also continuous in amplitude signal. Now come to the second example. It is also defined for every value of time in the given time interval, but it does not take all value in the given range. It gives only two value of the given range, so it is continuous in time but discrete in amplitude because it does not take all value between this range. Now come to the third example. This signal is defined only for discrete value of time, but it takes any random value of amplitude. Not discrete value, but any random value, all value of amplitude. So it is known as discrete in time but continuous in amplitude because it does not take only discrete value of amplitude. It takes any random value of amplitude. Now come to the fourth example. This signal is also defined for discrete value of time, but it takes only discrete value of amplitude, so it is known as discrete in time and also discrete in amplitude signal. It is also known as digital signal as we previously discussed, and all other above signals are analog signal. But in analog communication, we take only continuous in time and continuous in amplitude signal. I hope you will clearly understand what is analog signal and digital signal. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe it. Thanks guys.